What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. This is a brief video announcing I'm going to enter Model Car 1589's Lowrider Group Build. I'll put a link in the description down below of all those words. I don't have a car yet. I've been struggling with my 3D printer to get these to come out right. And you know, I've got a few. I've got two sets here. One, actually, I've got a set enough to have some Continental kit, and a car will eventually go there. I just have to do some testing, some test fitting, you know, to see where the connector points on the axles and stuff of a. There's a couple different kits that. I'll give you a hint. It's one that you've seen recently. It's not the Impala. I'm not going to be doing the Impala. It's one that I've done an unboxing and a comparison for, but whatever. Just got a couple of tests to go, and something will go there. So I'm in Lowrider Group Build. Again, I'll put a link in the description down below of Leon's channel, Model Car 1589. Got some cool stuff there. Go ahead and check it out. That's about it, and I will show you more later. Something more will be revealed, right? Cool. Stay tuned.